Moving beyond just safe and fast storage, this professional solution actually turns your data into your hardest working employee. It puts custom analytics and reports right at your fingertips. Seriously, Astra designs and alters custom queries and reports completely tailored to your constantly evolving business needs. If your operations team needs a brand new way to visualize inventory, or maybe management needs a highly specific sales query, Astra builds it. You aren't just storing your data anymore. You are actively weaponizing it to grow your business.
And because you are a busy executive with a million things to do, Astra takes the entire server maintenance schedule completely off your plate. It's a brilliantly fully managed rhythm. We're talking weekly backup verifications to ensure your data is actually safe, monthly backend compacting and repairing to reclaim disk space, quarterly OS patching and health checks, and biannual security and firewall reviews. The underlying infrastructure of your business remains rock solid, and the best part, you never even have to lift a finger.
You know, any business owner knows that system updates can sometimes be downright terrifying. But you can trust that every system update here is safe because Astra guarantees controlled deployments. They meticulously track versions, and they execute a fully verified backup before any structural deployment is ever applied to your live production environment. This service covers up to 3 front-end workstations and includes 1 major structural deployment per quarter. Because they verify everything first, if an update ever goes sideways, they can just reverse it immediately. Absolutely no panic required.
More impressive is their approach to risk-free deployments. Whenever they push a structural update, they guarantee that a fully verified backup is completed right before deployment. Every single structural change is tracked with strict version control, so if an update doesn't perform exactly as expected, it can be traced and instantly reversed. Your business is literally never exposed to unnecessary risk.
Here's where standard IT contracts usually nickel and dime you. Want automated off-site backups with test restores? Usually, you pay extra. Want someone to handle the tedious work of creating and revoking user access as employees come and go? You pay extra. Want data replication to a secondary server? You definitely pay a premium. But with Astra's Database Essentials plan, these are complimentary bonuses. They are built-in resilience features provided at absolutely no extra charge, ensuring your data is never lost and your access is strictly, perfectly managed.